everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram. Gandikota. It's a beautiful village and a historic fort located on the right bank of Penna River, Kadapa district in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The fort was the seat of power for various dynasties like Kalyani Chalukyas, the Pemmasani Nayakas and the Golconda Sultanates. Gandi Fort was the capital of Pemmasani leaders for over 300 years. Still, efforts are being made to make Gandikota a World Heritage Site. Gandikota is located at a distance of 15 kilometers from Jammalamudugu and 26 kilometers from Mudnuru. There are train services from Mudnuru, Kadapa and Guti junctions. The buses are also available from Jammalamudugu's old bus stand to Gandikota. The fort has two ancient temples dedicated to Lord Madhava and Ranganatha. They are in dilapidated conditions. The fort area is also covered with ruins of the past ages, and many ancient structures are crumbling at various stages. There are two minarets next to Jamma Mosque. A heritage festival is also held every year in the fort area. Other architectural features of the fort includes a large granary, a pigeon tower with a beautiful window, some wells and some brick towers. There is also an old cannon in the fort. Rayala Cherbu provides irrigation water to some agricultural lands with moral springs. On the bank of Penna, at the bottom of the hills, there is a companion called Paribak on the right with water fountains. Not only that, there are many camping areas on the bank of the fort and Penna River. And the other major attractions of the castle includes the House of Drum, Charminar, the jail and the Yerrakoneru. This is the epic history of Gandikota. For many more interesting topics, keep in update with Hybis TV. Thank you for watching.